Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and effortlessly delete a call link in WhatsApp. So let's dive into the process. Now I'm using my iPhone, but you can follow the same steps on Android. Wherever you have created this group link for a class, a specific person, or for any other purpose, keep in mind that anyone with this link can call or join the conversation if they share it. Only share it with trusted individuals. Blocked users will not be able to call you, and the link expires after 30 days of inactivity. Now let's look at your options. Click the Calls button on the bottom left corner and create a link for a video or audio call. To delete the link, you can block a specific person or simply wait for 30 days without using WhatsApp, after which it will automatically expire. However, to remove the link completely and permanently, tap Settings in the bottom right corner, then tap Chats and select Backup Chats. Click Backup to make sure you have a copy of all your conversations. After that, tap and hold WhatsApp, select Uninstall app and confirm the deletion. Now go to the App Store and download WhatsApp again. This will remove all of the details of your previous call references. Once installed, restore the chats from newly created backup. Enter your phone number, click Next, and choose to restore chat history from backup. None of the conversations, group, or individual calls will be lost. Enter your name, click Done, and by completing this process, you have successfully deleted the call link. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If it was, hit the subscribe button below. It helps me a lot. See you in the next video.